So during the time that Mark still at house during his wake, I never had a chance to go to getting that certificate. But my neighbor or our church mate, they were the one who worked for that death certificate, and it takes time. That is because she will be bringing the paper back and forth to me. I will have to send it back to the local civil registrar's office after my signature, and then we were waiting for the doctor because she is on leave. And then after the burial of Mark, since I was still mourning, that's the time that I processed, and right now I have a death certificate finally with a certified true copy. My main problem is that during the medical certificate, it says there that the patient was dead on arrival because of myocardial infarction, and it's not being declared by the hospital where we went to. The reason that he was dead on arrival because the patient or my husband has no enough oxygen from his lungs. That's why his heart was having a hard time to pump, and it was myocardial infarction. So lahi ra siya, meaning ba dili siya infection sa heart. I don't know, kailangan ko na adoon ako ang kanang hospital siguro balik ani to make a clarification, because I don't want that the moment that I am going to claim for a burial, and yet the papers didn't coordinate, that didn't match with the correct information.